Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you have not verified your Apple ID. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me show you here guys. If you're getting the error like this, it means you have not your email address during creation of Apple ID. Okay guys, so first you have to verify your email address to download any of the app. So let me tell you that if you have created Apple ID without verifying your email address and you want to download any of the app, then it's not working for you. So how can you fix it guys? Just simply have to tap on OK, or you can also cancel this one. So let me show you here guys. When you tap on OK, after that you can see this type of interface. So here you have to put your email address, or automatically it will be given here. Then tap on continue. So when you tap on continue guys, you can see this type of interface. Verify your Apple ID. You can easily see here you have selected this email address to your new Apple ID. To verify this address belongs to you, click the link below. You can easily see here verify now button. When you tap on that guys, after that the verification code will be sent to your email address. Just simply have to put that verification code, and after that I guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.